Buy crypto on Coinbase without paying high fees? Here's how you can save money. 1. Use Coinbase Advanced Trade instead of the standard buy-sell option. Open the Coinbase app or website, go to Trade, select Advanced. This platform charges lower maker-taker fees compared to instant buys. 2. Deposit funds via bank transfer, not a debit or credit card. Bank transfers are usually free, while cards have higher fees. 3. Place a limit order instead of a market order. Limit orders can reduce or eliminate taker fees, especially if your order is matched as a maker trade. 4. Look for Coinbase fee promotions. Sometimes, Coinbase offers zero-fee trading for certain pairs or new coins. Check the Promotions tab in your account. 5. Consider using USDC, Coinbase's stablecoin, to trade. Buying USDC with fiat can be free, and then you can use it to buy other cryptocurrencies at lower fees. 6. Avoid small, frequent purchases. Each transaction has a fee, so buying in larger, less frequent amounts helps reduce the cost. Tip: always check the fee breakdown before confirming a trade. If it looks too high, adjust your method.